succumb, succumb.
굴복하다, 병등으로, 쓰러지다, 죽다.
After hours of debate, he succumbed to their demands. After hours of debate, he succumbed to their demands.
몇 시간의 토론 끝에 그는 그들의 요구에 굴복했다.
Several hikers succumbed to exhaustion during the climb. Several hikers succumbed to exhaustion during the climb.
등반 중 여러 등산객이 탈진으로 쓰러졌다.
Laconic, laconic.
간결한, 과묵한.
The manager gave a laconic answer during the meeting. The manager gave a laconic answer during the meeting.
그 관리자는 회의에서 간결하게 답했다.
At dinner, he remained laconic and avoided long conversations. At dinner, he remained laconic and avoided long conversations.
저녁 식사 자리에서 그는 과묵하게 지내며 긴 대화를 피했다.
Precipitate, precipitate.
촉진하다, 야기하다.
The power failure precipitated chaos in the subway system. The power failure precipitated chaos in the subway system.
정전은 지하철 시스템의 혼란을 야기했다.
Stereotype, stereotype.
고정관념, 정형화하다, 일반화하다.
The movie relies on stereotypes about high school students. The movie relies on stereotypes about high school students.
그 영화는 고등학생에 대한 고정관념에 의존한다.
People often stereotype tourists from that country. People often stereotype tourists from that country.
사람들은 그 나라에서 온 관광객들을 흔히 일반화해 본다.
Castigate, castigate.
심하게 비난하다, 꾸짖다, 혹평하다.
The coach castigated the team for ignoring basic rules. The coach castigated the team for ignoring basic rules.
그 감독은 기본 규칙을 무시한 팀을 혹독하게 질책했다.
Reprehensible, reprehensible.
비난받아 마땅한, 부적절한.
His treatment of junior staff was reprehensible. His treatment of junior staff was reprehensible.
그가 신입 직원들을 대하는 태도는 비난받아 마땅했다.
Nettle, nettle.
짜증나게 하다, 화나게 하다.
The reporter's question nettled the coach after the loss. The reporter's question nettled the coach after the loss.
그 기자의 질문은 패배 후 감독을 화나게 만들었다.
Inveigh, inveigh.
강하게 비난하다, 비판하다.
The activist inveighed against plastic waste at the city council meeting. The activist inveighed against plastic waste at the city council meeting.
그 활동가는 시의회 회의에서 플라스틱 폐기물을 강하게 비난했다.
Overt, overt.
공공연한, 명백한, 노골적인.
His overt hostility made everyone uncomfortable. His overt hostility made everyone uncomfortable.
그의 노골적인 적대감은 모두를 불편하게 만들었다.
Premonition, premonition.
불길한, 예감, 전조.
She had a premonition that something would go wrong on the trip. She had a premonition that something would go wrong on the trip.
그녀는 여행 중 뭔가 잘못될 것 같은 예감을 느꼈다.
Bury the hatchet, bury the hatchet.
화해하다, 싸움을 끝내다.
After years of arguing, the two brothers finally buried the hatchet. After years of arguing, the two brothers finally buried the hatchet.
수년간 다투던 두 형제는 마침내 화해했다.
Cryptic, cryptic.
난해한, 비밀스러운, 모호한.
Her email was cryptic and raised more questions than answers. Her email was cryptic and raised more questions than answers.
그녀의 이메일은 모호해서 답보다 의문을 더 키웠다.
Repress, repress.
억누르다, 억제하다.
He repressed his disappointment and smiled politely. He repressed his disappointment and smiled politely.
그는 실망감을 억누르고 정중하게 웃었다.
Inchoate. Inchoate.
초기 단계.
The company's training program is inchoate but promising. The company's training program is inchoate but promising.
그 회사의 교육 프로그램은 초기 단계이지만 가능성이 있다.
Premise. Premise.
전제, 가정.
The argument is based on a false premise. The argument is based on a false premise.
그 주장은 잘못된 전제에 기반하고 있다.
Incredulous. Incredulous.
회의적인, 믿지 못하는.
The fans were incredulous at their favorite singer's sudden retirement announcement. The fans were incredulous at their favorite singer's sudden retirement announcement.
팬들은 자신들이 좋아하는 가수의 갑작스러운 은퇴 발표를 믿지 못했다.
Propitious. Propitious.
유리한, 기란 징조에.
Now is a propitious moment to launch the new product. Now is a propitious moment to launch the new product.
지금은 신제품을 출시하기에 좋은 시기이다.
Importune. Importune.
끈질기게 요청하다.
The reporter importuned the actor for a comment outside the courthouse. The reporter importuned the actor for a comment outside the courthouse.
그 기자는 법원 밖에서 그 배우에게 집요하게 발언을 요구했다.
Subjugate. Subjugate.
정복하다, 지배하다.
The empire sought to subjugate neighboring tribes. The empire sought to subjugate neighboring tribes.
그 제국은 인접한 부족들을 정복하려 했다.
Inclement. Inclement.
날씨가, 혹독한, 가혹한.
The baseball game was canceled due to inclement weather. The baseball game was canceled due to inclement weather.
혹독한 날씨 때문에 야구 경기가 취소되었다.
Eventuate. Eventuate.
결국 이되다.
Years of research eventuated in a successful vaccine. Years of research eventuated in a successful vaccine.
수년간의 연구는 성공적인 백신으로 결실을 맺었다.
Flamboyant. Flamboyant.
화려한.
Her flamboyant hairstyle drew attention at the party. Her flamboyant hairstyle drew attention at the party.
그녀의 화려한 헤어스타일은 파티에서 시선을 끌었다.
Ostentatious. Ostentatious.
과시하는, 허세를 부리는.
His ostentatious generosity made people uncomfortable. His ostentatious generosity made people uncomfortable.
그의 과시적인 관대함은 사람들을 불편하게 만들었다.
Pernicious. Pernicious.
해로운.
The pernicious effects of smoking became clear over time. The pernicious effects of smoking became clear over time.
흡연의 해로운 영향은 시간이 지나며 분명해졌다.
Salient. Salient.
현저한, 눈에 띄는, 두드러진.
The celebrity scandal became a salient topic in the media. The celebrity scandal became a salient topic in the media.
그 연예인의 스캔들은 언론에서 두드러진 화제가 되었다.
Illustrious. Illustrious.
저명한, 뛰어난.
Known for his illustrious achievements, the scientist was invited worldwide. Known for his illustrious achievements, the scientist was invited worldwide.
저명한 업적으로 알려진 그 과학자는 전 세계로 초청받았다.
Jaunty. Jaunty.
활기찬, 경쾌한.
The way he spoke sounded jaunty and relaxed. The way he spoke sounded jaunty and relaxed.
그가 말하는 방식은 경쾌하고 여유롭게 들렸다.
Strut. Strut.
으스대며 걷다. 거만하게 걷다.
There was no need to strut, but he did anyway. There was no need to strut, but he did anyway.
거들먹거릴 필요는 없었지만 그는 그렇게 했다.
Histrionics. Histrionics.
과장된 감정 표현, 호들갑.
His reaction, full of histrionics, disrupted the meeting. His reaction, full of histrionics, disrupted the meeting.
과장된 반응 때문에 회의가 흐트러졌다.
There was no need for such histrionics over a minor mistake. There was no need for such histrionics over a minor mistake.
사소한 실수에 그런 호들갑은 필요 없었다.
Lurid. Lurid.
선정적인, 충격적인.
What bothered the family most was the lurid media coverage. What bothered the family most was the lurid media coverage.
가족을 가장 괴롭힌 것은 선정적인 언론 보도였다.
Rash. Rash.
발진, 성급한, 경솔한.
She developed a rash after using the new soap. She developed a rash after using the new soap.
그녀는 새 비누를 쓴 뒤 발진이 생겼다.
It was a rash decision made under pressure. It was a rash decision made under pressure.
그것은 압박 속에서 내려진 성급한 결정이었다.
Quip. Quip.
농담조로 말하다.
Asked about the mistake, the actor quipped instead of apologizing. Asked about the mistake, the actor quipped instead of apologizing.
실수에 대해 묻자 그 배우는 사과 대신 농담을 했다.
Vexatious. Vexatious.
성가신, 귀찮게 하는.
The company faced vexatious complaints from a former employee. The company faced vexatious complaints from a former employee.
그 회사는 전 직원의 성가신 민원에 시달렸다.
Lusty. Lusty.
활기찬, 정열적인.
He gave a lusty cheer as the team scored. He gave a lusty cheer as the team scored.
팀이 득점하자 그는 힘찬 환호를 보냈다.
He was known in novels as a lusty character. He was known in novels as a lusty character.
그는 소설에서 정열적인 인물로 묘사되었다.
Longshoreman. Longshoreman.
부두 노동자.
The longshoreman unloaded containers from the cargo ship. The longshoreman unloaded containers from the cargo ship.
그 항만 노동자는 화물선에서 컨테이너를 내려줬다.
Garbled. Garbled.
왜곡된, 혼동된, 혼란스러운.
What we heard was garbled and incomplete. What we heard was garbled and incomplete.
우리가 들은 것은 왜곡되고 불완전했다.
Written in haste, the instructions became garbled. Written in haste, the instructions became garbled.
서둘러 작성된 지침은 혼란스럽게 되었다.
Phlegmatic. Phlegmatic.
침착한, 냉정한.
A phlegmatic attitude helped him manage the crisis. A phlegmatic attitude helped him manage the crisis.
침착한 태도는 그가 위기를 관리하는 데 도움이 되었다.
Poignant. Poignant.
가슴 아픈, 애절한, 감동적인.
The final scene of the film was deeply poignant. The final scene of the film was deeply poignant.
그 영화의 마지막 장면은 깊이 가슴을 울렸다.
Fortuitous. Fortuitous.
우연한, 뜻밖의, 운 좋은.
What seemed fortuitous later proved significant. What seemed fortuitous later proved significant.
처음엔 우연처럼 보였던 일이 나중에 중요해졌다.
Desist. Desist.
자제하다, 그만두다.
After repeated warnings, she finally desisted from contacting him. After repeated warnings, she finally desisted from contacting him.
반복된 경고 끝에 그녀는 그에게 연락하는 것을 그만두었다.
Integral. Integral.
필수적인.
Trust is an integral part of any relationship. Trust is an integral part of any relationship.
신뢰는 어떤 관계에서든 필수적인 요소다. 엄청난.
So egregious was the violation that immediate action followed. So egregious was the violation that immediate action followed.
그 위반은 너무도 심각해서 즉각적인 조치가 뒤따랐다.
Recoil. Recoil.
반발하다. 거부감을 느끼다. 움찔하다. 물러나다.
The audience recoiled from the brutal scene. The audience recoiled from the brutal scene.
관객들은 잔혹한 장면에 반감을 보였다.
At the sight of the snake, he recoiled in fear. At the sight of a snake, he recoiled in fear.
뱀을 보자 그는 공포에 질려 뒤로 물러났다.
Schism. Schism.
분열.
Within the party, a deep schism began to form. Within the party, a deep schism began to form.
그 정당 내부에서 깊은 분열이 형성되기 시작했다.
Engrossed. Engrossed.
몰두한, 에 사로잡힌.
She was engrossed in the novel and missed her stop. She was engrossed in the novel and missed her stop.
그녀는 소설에 푹 빠져 정류장을 지나쳤다.
Engrossed with worry, he barely heard the question. Engrossed with worry, he barely heard the question.
걱정에 사로잡혀 그는 질문을 거의 듣지 못했다.
Compound. Compound.
악화시키다, 섞다.
His careless remark compounded the misunderstanding. His careless remark compounded the misunderstanding.
그의 부주의한 발언은 오해를 더 악화시켰다.
She compounded flour and water to make the dough. She compounded flour and water to make the dough.
그녀는 반죽을 만들기 위해 밀가루와 물을 섞었다.
Hackneyed. Hackneyed.
진부한, 상투적인, 식상한.
The campaign failed because its message felt hackneyed. The campaign failed because its message felt hackneyed.
그 캠페인은 메시지가 식상하게 느껴져 실패했다.
Verdant. Verdant.
푸른, 초록비대, 활기찬.
The valley looked verdant after the rain. The valley looked verdant after the rain.
비가 온 뒤 계곡은 푸르게 보였다.
Aridity. Aridity.
건조함, 메마름, 지루함, 몸이 건조함.
Due to aridity, the reservoir dried up quickly. Due to aridity, the reservoir dried up quickly.
건조함 때문에 저수지는 빠르게 말랐다.
Aridity in his writing bored the audience. Aridity in his writing bored the audience.
그의 글에 담긴 메마름은 독자를 지루하게 했다.
Modicum. Modicum.
소량이.
She showed a modicum of patience during the delay. She showed a modicum of patience during the delay.
그녀는 지연되는 동안 아주 약간의 인내심을 보였다. 아래 단어를 영어로 읽어주면 그 뜻을 말해보세요.
Succumb. Succumb. Laconic. Laconic. Precipitate. Precipitate. Stereotype. Stereotype. Castigate. Castigate. Reprehensible. Reprehensible. Nettle. Nettle. Inveigh. Inveigh. Overt. Overt. Premonition. Premonition. Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet. Cryptic. Cryptic. Repress. Repress. Inchoate. Inchoate. Premise. Premise. Incredulous. Incredulous. Propitious. Propitious. Importune. Importune. Subjugate. Subjugate. inclement, inclement. Eventuate, eventuate. Flamboyant, flamboyant. Ostentatious, ostentatious. Pernicious, pernicious. Salient, salient. Illustrious, illustrious. Jaunty, jaunty. Strut, strut. Histrionics, histrionics. Lurid, lurid. Rash, rash. Quip, quip. Vexatious, vexatious. Lusty, lusty. Longshoreman, longshoreman. Garbled, garbled. Phlegmatic, phlegmatic. Poignant, poignant. Fortuitous, fortuitous. Desist, desist. Integral, integral. Egregious, egregious. Recoil, recoil. Schism, schism. Engrossed, engrossed. Compound, compound. Hackneyed, hackneyed. Verdant, verdant. Aridity, aridity. Modicum, modicum.
생각이 아닌 말로 표현할 수 있을 때까지 반복하세요.